Autumn. Not very many people are able to say they got to meet their love of their life at such a young age. We were given that chance and we definitely made something of it. Over the years we had our ups and downs, but we pushed through them no matter what it was. That was what makes us such a strong couple. I know no matter what it is that is thrown our way, we'll make it through it, and you see the good in every situation. You bring me back down to earth, you're my rock. That is why I will never stop loving you. I promise to always be by your side, to be your biggest supporter and your #1 fan. I promise to give you all of me and the best of me. You will forever be my best friend. I love the life we have built together and continue to build with you by my side. There is no one else I'd rather fight with, no one else I'd rather sleep on the couch for. Autumn, we have grown up together and seen each other through everything, and today we get to stand in front of each other and our families and share our love for one another with everyone. I'll love you forever and for always. You are the love of my life, forever.
I'll stay by your side when storms are raging. I will hold you close tonight, and I won't let go until the morning light. I'll stay by your side. There's so much more to you than what meets the eye. A beauty that goes deeper than the surface. I've waited my whole life to find someone who gives love a purpose.
From the moment I saw you across your room with your amazing smile and your bold personality, I was drawn to you. I knew I always wanted to have a life with you. You keep me laughing and smiling with your goofy sense of humor. I have waited so long to look you in the eyes and say I do, and I feel so lucky to have you by my side as my best friend sharing this happiest day together. No matter how many downfalls we have faced, we never gave up on each other and have become inseparable. We have both grown so much in life, and over the years we have grown closer together with every day. I admire so much about you. Even with your tough exterior, you have the biggest heart I have ever seen. I know with you, I will never go a day without smiling, and even if I cry, I know you'll be beside me to support me and pick me back up. I want to blare music and dance with you in our kitchen every day for the rest of our lives. I appreciate everything you do for me, especially the little things, like always standing on the outer curb to keep me safe. You make me feel loved and secure. I promise to love you in good times and bad times with all that I have. I promise to give you the best of myself and to continue growing along with you. I promise to respect you as your own person and to realize that your interests, desires, and needs are no less important than my own, including supporting all of your crazy dreams. I vow to keep my promises on good days or bad days, rain or shine. I will always love you, Erik Joseph.